So dear friends, at the starting of this video, I want to show you something. After opening your Facebook profile, click on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now scroll down a little bit. And now see your profile badge. Here in my profile, digital creator is my profile badge, okay? But if you want to change this profile badge, you can do it so easily. First, what to do? You gotta click on this three-dot icon here. Click on edit. And in this details section, you see an edit option here, so click on it. And now look at the first option, category. And now click on this pen icon at the right of your category. Now all the Facebook profile badges are popping up here. And from this list, select the badge that you want to keep for your profile. For example, I want to keep artist. So I've selected artist. And now click on save at the bottom. Again, you gotta click on save at the bottom. That's it. Now my profile badge has been changed to artist. So this is how you can change your Facebook profile badge. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you wanna watch more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So I'll see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.